If you've ever wondered how to stop your computer from automatically uploading every photo you save to OneDrive, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to turn off auto upload of photos to OneDrive on your Windows PC. By the end, you'll have full control over your photo backups. You'll decide what gets stored in the cloud and what stays private on your computer. Let's get started right away. The first thing you'll want to do is look down at your Windows taskbar, usually at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see a small cloud icon down there, and that's the OneDrive icon. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it can sometimes be tucked away in the hidden icons area. Just click the little upward arrow and you should spot the cloud symbol. Clicking on that cloud will open up the OneDrive menu. Once you've got the OneDrive menu open, look over to the top right. Here you'll spot a gear-shaped button which stands for Help and Settings. Go ahead and click on that gear. Think of it as the control center for how OneDrive works on your computer. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. This is where you'll be able to fine-tune all sorts of OneDrive behaviors, including which folders get backed up automatically. Now inside the OneDrive settings window, switch to the tab labeled Sync and Backup. Sometimes, depending on your version, it might say something slightly different, but it's always along the lines of syncing or backing up. This area governs what content from your computer gets copied automatically to the OneDrive cloud, keeping you organized and sometimes more than you want. Looking at the options, you'll see a button that says Manage Backup. Go ahead and click on that. In a few moments, a window will appear showing you a list of folders that OneDrive is currently watching for automatic backup. For most users, things like your desktop documents and, importantly, your pictures folder are in this list. This is why the photos you save or edit often start appearing in your OneDrive storage, sometimes filling up faster than you expect. Here, where you can take back control. Find the toggle switch next to Pictures. It's likely in the on position right now, which is why those images are going straight to the cloud. Flip that switch to off. Don't worry if it takes a second. Windows sometimes needs a moment to process the change. As soon as you do that, OneDrive will ask you to confirm. It wants to make sure you really want to stop backing up your pictures folder. Go ahead and click Stop Backup. Just like that, you've told your PC not to upload new photos in that folder to OneDrive anymore. Let me give you a quick heads up here. This change only stops future photos from being backed up to OneDrive. Anything that's already in your OneDrive won't be deleted, and you can access those old photos anytime. Also, if you ever change your mind and want your pictures to sync up again, simply toggle that switch back on the same way. That's all there is to it. Now you have peace of mind knowing your new photos stay on your computer unless you decide otherwise, giving you a little extra privacy and more room in your OneDrive storage. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a second to hit like. It lets me know these guides are useful to you. If you have any questions, or maybe there's another OneDrive or Windows setting that's driving you crazy, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping out when I can. And if you want more step-by-step tech tutorials like this one, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.